Candlemouse. Always near, the flame of summer, always near, this ladybug's lover, making things clear on his free day. Once in the week he speaks, it is my Saturday.
A candle mouse, a perfume holds you tight, against the waves it turns his head, then he's shaking his head all the time.
She's driving him mad, with her feather road a cologne, she's driving him mad, with her lights so red, with her towers under cover. Always near, the flame of summer.
Perfumes in the morning light, late at night or in the evening, it always takes flight, as a souvenir of Saturn, a yellow odor, she adores on Tuesdays.
Till Wednesday say she's a whore. She's driving him mad, with her feather road a cologne, she's driving him mad, with her lights so red, with her towers under cover.
Rabbit behind glass. A summertime, roses die, a summer brain, making me vain, letting me lose the criminal inside. It kills all day long and will be back tonight. A summertime, roses die.
The red spider is on track, like a killer, and tonight it will be back. It also kills me, and then it breaks my doors open.
Is there any escape for me, from this strange bottle? A summertime, roses die, my killer lets them all bleed, those who sinned against the god of rabbits. I'm not religious.
But it seems this criminal is. I cannot stop my roses growing, killing all the others, and then me, in this strange bottle. I hope it's just my own dream.
A nightmare bringing me such pain, no rabbit helps me, I'm all alone in this pit of shame. I tried to hold your hand, but you left me all alone.